In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transform into a creeper in Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a very easy method to transform yourself into a creeper. Keep in mind that for this method, you will be able to make the mob follow you around, which essentially makes you look like the creeper. However, besides this, there is a bunch that you can do. You will need server plugins if you really want to become a specific mob, because this isn't a vanilla feature. However, there is a very fun and very easy to do method, which is what I'm going to be showcasing in this video. So as I've said before, it isn't perfect. However, for the most part, it will work very well. So first, spawn a creeper, and then you will have to give it a tag. So type out this command, /tag space, and you should be able to find a tag with a bunch of numbers and letters. Choose this, then space, add, and then give it a name. You can give it the name morph or transform, for example. Once you have tagged this mob that is next to you, get yourself a command block, place it down, and now type out this command, /tp, add entity, so the creeper, and you will have to choose the correct tag. So if you gave it the tag morph, you do tag equals morph, then limit equals 1, and you close this. Once this is done, you finish this up by typing @p, so it's going to teleport towards you. You can type out a specific username if you prefer, and then you can click done. Now, before we activate this, it is recommended to give yourself invisibility. So for this, you can use this command, /effect give @p, so you, or you can specify a name, Minecraft invisibility 99999 true. Once you do this command, you will be given invisibility. You can also just drink a potion if you prefer. Now, on this command block, make sure that you set it to repeat and always active. And when you choose done, the specific creeper that you gave a tag to will be teleporting to you constantly. And this means that if you keep walking around, the creeper will keep being teleported, and it looks like you become the creeper. So you can jump around, do parkour, you can use it to scare your friends, walk into their base, and act like a creeper. Now, this will only work in creative mode because you will need to get a command block, but you can go back into survival if you prefer. If you do, make sure that you assign the creeper to the same team as you. This way it won't explode and it will still be teleported around following you. I hope I was able to help you on how to transform into a creeper in Minecraft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.